The JC Combined Index lost over 8,000 points in October, or 2.5%. 126 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the month. 45 made gains, 71 lost value, and 10 stayed the same. 569 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $2.2 billion. Now here's a look at some of the highlights for October. The main index lost 2.5%, while the junior market was down 2%. The financial index lost 4%, and the manufacturing and distribution index was mostly flat. JMMB 7.25% VRJMDCR preference shares was October's most traded stock. It took up 12% of market volume with 70 million shares changing hands. The stock opened in November at $2. FESCO was the month's second most traded stock. The stock lost 63 cents to open the new month at $3.35. And JFP rounded out October's most traded. The stock's price remained unchanged, opening November at $1.56. Now let's see who are the biggest gains for the month. Edufocal was October's biggest gainer. The stock soared 57% to start the new month at $2.19. Wisynco had the second biggest jump of the month, closing at $21.81. And the Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% was October's third biggest gainer. The stock was up almost 22% to start November at $2. On the losing side now, iCreate was last month's biggest loser. It lost 33% to open the new month at 69 cents. Paramount Trading fell nearly 31% to open November at $1.38. And First Rock Real Estate Investments rounded out the month's biggest losers. The stock fell almost 23%, closing the month at $6.69. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index lost 1% last month. Massey was the most traded stock of the month. It lost 21 cents to open November at $4.61 TT. Prestige Holdings was the biggest gain, up almost 44%. It opened the new month at $11.50 TT. And on the losing side, Trinidad and Tobago, NGL, fell 14% to open November at $11.04 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones was up 2% in October, while the S&P 500 gained 1%, and the Nasdaq was mostly stable. At the pumps, gas prices lost $4.50 in October, while regular diesel prices dipped 90 cents for the month, and low sulfur diesel lost $1.67. In foreign exchange, overall the Jamaican dollar weakened in October, losing 65 cents against the US dollar to close the month at an average $156.08 to $1 US. On the other hand, the JMD strengthened against the Canadian dollar, but weakened against the pound and euro. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices rose nearly 24% for the month, trading at $34,656 US on October 31. And Ethereum was up almost 5%, trading at $1,815 on October 31.